Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the phone and removing the case so nothing shifts. Once done, gently warm the screen edges to soften the adhesive. Hold a hair dryer on low for about 15 to 30 seconds, 20 to 30 centimeters away. Next, use a fingernail or thin plastic pick to lift one corner. This gives you a small gap to work. Make sure to avoid metal prying tools so you don't crack glass or scratch the frame. Proceed slowly and deliberately. You continue by maintaining a low pulling angle, roughly 10 to 20 degrees, and peel the protector slowly across the surface. This reduces stress on glass. If sections stick, pause and reapply gentle heat for a few seconds to loosen adhesive. Make sure not to overheat the phone or stay in one spot. For stubborn adhesive, thread waxed dental floss or strong tape under the lifted corner and saw back and forth while pulling upward. This separates glue without bending the display. You finish by carefully removing any remaining adhesive residue. Dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol and wipe in gentle circular motions until clear. Once clean, inspect the panel for tiny glass chips or cracks. If you see damage, stop and consider a screen replacement to avoid further issues. Finally, let the surface dry, then align and apply a new protector using guide stickers or tape. If bubbles form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.